Now, if you recently had a knee replacement and you're struggling to get your knee bending by working on heel slides like this, then stay tuned because in today's video, I wanted to show you one incredible exercise that will help you get back your knee bending for good. Welcome back, guys. My name is Dr. Mike, and I'm a physical therapist who works with patients right after total knee replacement surgery. And one of the biggest struggles that patients complain about is regaining their ability to bend the knee. We need enough knee flexion in order to function in daily activities, such as sitting down on chairs or going up and down the stairs. If you do not regain this motion, it becomes very hard for day-to-day tasks. Now, today's video, I wanted to show you an incredible exercise that can really help you restore this knee flexion. And I often find working with many of these patients is that when they're laying down performing a heel slide exercise, maybe with use of a yoga strap, I find that some people really have a hard time with this exercise. They find that it's very hard to bend their knee using a small yoga strap. And many of the patients that I see, that leg just feels so heavy, so they find it hard to really get that range of motion back. Now, this one particular exercise has been working really well with a lot of the patients that I've been seeing lately, and this is because this allows us to use our body weight to regain our range of motion. So what I typically will do with an individual is I'll have them stand either at a counter or the wall, something that they can hold on for support. And they're gonna take that surgery knee and they're basically gonna place it in front of them. Now also notice with my other leg, it is going to be behind me. And what you're gonna do is try to keep the feet flat on the ground. Now I'm using the support and the weight of my arms to basically lean myself forward on that surgery knee. Now you can tell what happens when I weight shift or I lean forward on that knee. It requires me to bend my knee more. So unlike the yoga strap where the strap is moving it, now my body weight and me leaning forward is allowing me to bend that knee. Some folks find that performing this exercise actually feels a little easier on their knee and they're able to really get in a good position where they can bend the knee. The best part about this exercise is not that you can only focus on knee bending, but now if I take that same leg behind me, now I can work on knee extension. So let's say, for instance, this was my surgery knee. For a few minutes, I would work on rocking forward and back, trying to get knee bending on this side here. And after a few minutes, if you can tolerate it, then you're gonna take that same knee and now you're gonna place it behind you. So now you can focus on the straightening of the knee. This allows you to focus on both parts of that range of motion of your rehab. And you'll notice this is a great calf stretch, hamstring stretch, which is going to help you restore that knee extension as well. Now, if you find that you're progressing well and you're doing really good with this exercise, I will often have patients who have access to a step stool or maybe they live in a home that has stairs. Now we can advance this exercise by placing the foot up on that step. So for instance, this is my surgery leg. And now I can really start to get more of a bend in the knee because now I've elevated my foot up. It's going to require me to fold my ankle and my knee even further. And as I'm leaning forward, I'm still holding on for support because that will allow me to passively move that knee further and further as I get comfortable. So if you're someone that is wanting to get back to squatting, wanting to get back to doing lunges at the gym, this is a phenomenal exercise that must be in your rehab program down the road so you can start to regain that knee flexion with your body weight. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please comment below on how this works out for you. In the meantime, if you want to learn more tips on how to recover after knee replacement, be sure to check out my playlist here.